everybody. In this video, we're going to be talking about discussing different types of mortgages available for home buyers. Welcome, as usual. My name is Hector Villatoro. I'm the broker for RB Realty, and we will be talking about all the types of home that mortgage or loan available for you as a home buyer, from fixed rate mortgage, adjustable mortgage, VA mortgage, FHA, government loan, 2-3K, and all this stuff. I'm going to try to cover as much as possible for you to have an idea about what's the best way to do it. Let's get going. First, there are some self-explanatory fixed rate mortgage. What I mean by that is that if you get a loan that is fixed rate for 30 years, you're going to be paying the same amount for the next 30 years. So that's a lot of people like to get a fixed rate loan, because when you have a fixed rate loan, you don't have to worry that the price is going to change, that you're going to be worried about that something else is going to change. It's very straightforward. So my next type of loan is adjustable. All this loan is self-explanatory. Adjustable, what I mean is that they all adjustable rate mortgage or ARM. It's a type of mortgage where the interest rate may change according to market condition. In other words, the interest rate go up. Is the interest rate going up? Your monthly payment will change. If the interest rate goes down, interest will go down. Many loans, they start like for the first 5 years fixed and then adjustable. And that is sometimes it makes sense for somebody that may be thinking about selling or moving in the next 5 years, so it only pay fixed because it's a little cheaper. So if you're looking to save, you get 5 years fixed, and then the next 25 years adjustable. You may be able to get something better on the payment. The next one is the FHA loan. It's very popular. Why is very popular? Main feature of the FHA loan is that only require 3.5%. It's government loan. Is backed by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or HUD, which is Housing Administration. But this one has some flexibility regarding the credit score. You don't have to have top of the line credit score. You can get like as low as 580 with some compensatory factors, which is, I like this type of loan because many of our people use it. They have some limit about 725, meaning that any house below 725, that will be something that you can apply for an FHA loan. BA loan. What is a BA loan? It's an FHA, but this is FHA made for all our service members, our military veterans that are being in the armed force. That's the same requirement, and also have a lot of flexibility. The person who's a veteran don't have to do a down payment. Probably you need to pay a little, you need to do something to secure the contract. And also FHA has one thing that you have to pay PMI, that's private mortgage insurance. That make the loan a little pricier, but it's worth it. You're only coming in with 3.5% down payment, and any loan allows you maximum 6% closing costs, meaning that you can borrow some money on top of what you borrow for buying the house. You can borrow something at least 6% on top of that. And also, not just to talk about those loans, we also have the 2-3K loan. And let's say you find a house that needs a lot of work, you qualify for, you find a house, you have a house that is worth $400 and needs $50,000. You can borrow, as long as you qualify for $450, you'll be able to get a loan for $450. It's the interest rate a little higher, but you can design the home as you like. So it's a really good loan. Many people, for whatever reason, don't market it very well, but a good loan officer, any of this loan, you need a good loan officer and a good real estate agent. And believe me, if I don't cover anything, I'm always here. You can email me, you can call me, and we have 40 agents working with me, professional, knowledgeable, they'll be able to tell you what's the best strategy. A few other two other loans that I want to talk about. That is interest only. What is the interest only? Let's say you want the lowest of the lowest interest rate, the lowest of the lowest payment, and then you go interest only. And you probably want to do interest only, and if you want to lower the principal, you just send extra money for the principal, but it's optional. You don't have to be tied to that. But obviously, it's a choice. Now, for loans that are mortgages that are bigger than $1 million, 725 for the guideline for FHA, it's called balloon mortgage payment, which is for bigger ticket item. It's not as common as the other one, but it's also usable. So far, we covered a few of the loan. In conclusion, when it comes to getting the perfect loan or the perfect mortgage, first of all, you have to do your research. You have to get a very professional, experienced loan officer. We have few premier lenders here in my office that they will be able to provide you the best information possible. Of course, I have 20 years experience in the business, so I can tell you even if it's not a loan officer, I can tell you from the beginning the guideline that you need. Like, for example, you need a FICO score of 580, 600. You need to have at least, that's the FICO score. You need to have some money in the bank, at least 3.5%. And you have to have history. You have to have 2 years bank, 2 years taxes, 2 months bank statement, and you need to have the credit score, and that's pretty much it. This idea didn't cover anything. You have any additional question, I'd be happy to share with you the knowledge that I have. And as I said, sometimes this video is a little shorter, and I don't want it to create something like so long, but at least I give you a general idea. And remember, always, whenever you want to do something, you need to get somebody with experience. Again, my name is Hector Villatoro. Thank you for watching. Look forward to see you in the next video. If you find some information that you like, and if you need some other topic that you want me to talk about, I'm here for you. Thank you very much. I look forward to see you.